Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Let's Learn English with Latika. Daily vocabulary में आज हम लर्न करेंगे कुछ important vocabulary. If you are preparing for any competitive exams like bank, SSC or other exams, then ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होने वाला है. So let's get started. Forfeit. Forfeit is a noun. It means to lose the right to do or have something because you have broken a rule. खो बैठना या अधिकार खो देना. A lack of players caused the team to forfeit the game. खिलाड़ियों की कमी के कारण टीम को खेल से बाहर होना पड़ा. Forlorn. Forlorn is an adjective. मतलब उदास. Alone and unhappy. His face looked forlorn. उसका चेहरा उदास दिख रहा था. Flourish. Flourish is a verb. It means to grow or develop successfully. बढ़ना या फिर विकास पाना. The fertile ground and ample water supply will allow the crops to flourish. उपजाऊ जमीन और पर्याप्त पानी की आपूर्ति फसलों को फलने फूलने देगी. Forte. Forte is a noun. विशेष योग्यता, a strong ability. Cooking was not exactly her forte. खाना बनाना उसकी योग्यता नहीं थी. Fortuitous. It is an adjective happening by luck, भाग्यशाली. The decrease in unemployment is not a fortuitous result. बेरोजगारी में कमी एक अच्छा परिणाम नहीं है. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe, share, comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.